Today we are at 4943 Yacht Harbor Drive. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath offered by Barron's Property Managers. We are standing in the living area here. As you can see, we do have all tile. And there's our front door. We do also have a coat closet. Turning this direction, here is our kitchen. The tile does continue throughout, and then there's carpet in the bedrooms. So we have another door here to the outside, and then we also have our large laundry room. Nice little storage area as well. Turning back towards the living area, we'll go down a short hallway to the bedrooms and bathroom. So at the end, we have another storage closet, and we'll go left to the first bedroom. Lots of lighting in here. We do have carpet. Turning towards the right now, here is the second of the bedrooms. Very good size. And then we also have our closet as well. So now we'll go to the bathroom. We do have a nice shower tub combo, nice vanity for some extra storage space. Heading back out into the living room. Again, this is 4943 Yacht Harbor Drive, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.